This is a video from my upstairs loft of my living room, which has been done in the 5/8-inch foam squares from Greatmat. I have dogs, so this has been a tremendous advantage over having a carpet. They are so easily cleaned and they look so very nice. You can see the middle portion is newer than the outside ones because I am currently replacing the older ones which have been there for several years and moving them down to the basement. I can't say enough great things about the foam squares. If you have dogs, they're so easy to clean up if there's a mess. They have just been the most fantastic items that I have had for flooring.